Okay, now today I'm not going to be using the crushed glass. What I'm doing now is that I'm bringing another type of diamond, and it is definitely is the glass stones. But the glass stones, it sparkles like diamonds. They are beautiful when you really just open it. When you put it on glass, it gives that diamond look. It's really pretty. It actually looks like diamonds. It's pretty. So this is, I just wanted to show you because just to demonstrate it on how it looked. And since this comes on a little different, because it is different working with this one, I don't want to go all the way down there, so all the way to the end. So what I want to do is, you can rubber band this part or just take it down to the tip. But this is a new thing that I'm working with now, so what I'm doing, I want to use very thin strokes on here, because this is not something that you would put on really thick. And with this, I'm doing it in sections. To the glue. And when you get that smoothness where it's all in, this is how you do it. Then you want to pat it. And that's it. And you got it in. And it is so beautiful when it dries, you're going to see the diamond in it. So now we're going to do this side here, and this is so easy to work with. You get it? Now with this one here, you don't really want to disturb it, so you're going to go gently into the corners here. Or actually what you can do is just do everything at once, but I'm just doing this here because I know that it's round, and I just want to work with it like this just to do so much of it. You know, it's easier for me. I want you to see how beautiful it is. We work with the crushed glass, which is crystal. Give you the crystal look, and like I said again, this is the glass stones that gives you the diamond look. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, may God bless you and keep you in good health. Bye.